Clearing your search history on Payoneer can help maintain your privacy and keep your account organized. Follow these steps to remove your search history effectively. Step 1. Log into your Payoneer account. Access the Payoneer website or app and enter your login credentials to access your account dashboard. Step 2. Navigate to the settings. Once logged in, locate the settings option, usually found in the account menu or profile section. Click on it to access your account settings. Step 3. Find search history options. In the settings menu, look for a section related to privacy or data management. This is where you will find options to manage your search history. Step 4. Clear search history. Select the option to clear or delete your search history. Confirm your choice if prompted to ensure that your search history is removed. Step 5. Log out and recheck. After clearing your search history, log out of your account and log back in to verify that your search history has been successfully cleared. By following these steps, you can easily manage and clear your search history on Payoneer, ensuring your account remains private and secure.